to this YouTube tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete just about everything you want from your PC or desktop. It's just ridiculous how much standard installs you have, things you don't need, things you don't want. You go to search for Geek, go first to Google, search for Geek, uninstaller. After you have installed the program, you can search for it. Let's say you can open the file if you can find it. Go to the file. Alright, open. Yes. Alright, here you can see everything you want. You can just delete it. It is very, very easy. Just hit delete and it's just gone. So let's start somewhere. Let's say game loop. Don't need it, don't want it. Alright. Delete. Oh yeah. Uninstall. Uninstall. Unbelievable. Edge. Of course. Don't like Edge. I really, really don't like Edge. Wait. Alright. Just going a little bit slow because of all these unwanted programs. So you have this view, you can select all your apps or everything from the Microsoft Store app. If I select this, you can see all this kind of stuff. I didn't know I had Microsoft Teams on my computer. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, delete is somewhere. Some things stuck. Yes, some things are stuck. Even if you delete things, they um, kind of put little um, files, they like leftovers, and this program it will show you those, and then you can delete them also. So bye bye. All right. So I think you understand what you can do with this program. It is free, it is fast, and it makes your computer a little bit faster. Thank you for watching.